The Ghana Industrial and Manufacturing Awards (GIMA) is organized to honor and recognize players in the industrial and manufacturing sectors who have impacted the economy positively. The awards night saw lots of dignitaries and industry players gracing the occasion. Certificates, citations and awards were given to some individuals on the night. Some awardees on the night expressed their delight.
We won the Best Travel and Tour Company of the Year, deservedly. This is actually a clear evidence of our hard work and the trust that our client has placed in us. So this is just an evidence of what you are seeing today. We are best known for our tours and then relocation places. So we do general travel consultation. We provide 360 travel solutions.
Brief Company Limited have won again two more awards for the best CSR contribution and also for the best manufacturer of sanitary pads, sanitary products, since we make diapers as well and other products as well, so other sanitary products. So we're so excited. We're very happy about this. This is the 6th award we've won this year, and we're so happy that we're being recognized for contributing such great quality products to the country and to our customers.
Sivoco as a group, we are into manufacturing of steel structures, leaf springs, modular containers, alternates, U-bolts, anything you name in steel, we are into steel fabrication. And successfully, like in Ghana, you can see number of warehouses, industrial buildings, residential buildings was done by Sivoco. And on the roads of Ghana, you can see Sivoco trailers, tippers. That is a big success in Ghana for us.
Innovation and